Okay, so I just got a delivery of my 56 volt battery powered Ego Hedge trimmer, and we're going to get a look at that now. Here we go. So batteries go on really easy, literally just a slide on and then a bit of a smack, that's it on, and that's it, simple as that. The difference here is like there's no pull start on this, it's just pure power. I have two batteries, takes about 50 minutes I heard to charge a battery from empty, so 50 minutes, and while I'm using this one I can be charging the second one. If I need to, I'll get a third battery, but these are fantastic. Comes with a charger. They have a fast charger option available. I think you can do it in about 30 minutes, something like that. This one will do me. So and it'll have a plug top on it then to suit your outlet. Fantastic, I'm looking forward to using this. So this one, dual cut blade, lovely looking blade on the setup. So powerful, and these are lovely, well built machines. Casing is not cheap and tacky. I have a cheap and tacky one over there, I'll show you that in a second, that I converted to run on my Makita batteries, but this one is the business. I have about 250 meters of hedge, some of it maybe 5 meters high, something like that, and I really need to put it, get it under control. You can't cut the hedges here during the summer because the birds are nesting and so on, so it's illegal. Yeah, well, anyway, so this is September now, so it's legal from now on. So we're going to get stuck into the hedges here, plenty for it to do. As I say, it's brand new at the moment, it's never been used, and I'm looking forward to getting it stuck in. This other thing, the trimmer, line trimmer, these things, fantastic as well. This one, a little bit heavy. They do a carbon fiber version of it. This one bends in the middle, so the box it comes in is deceptively small. But you just put a bolt through it and that's it for life. Variable speed trigger on this as well, high and low, not gear, but high and low speeds on it, and then variable speed within that high and low setup. But really, really good. So look, I bought a couple of Ego power tools. I intend to get the blower and something else, and I can buy them bare tool. So the beauty of all of this now is once you're into the ecosystem, you've got your batteries, you've got your charger, you can just buy the machines cheap enough. I think you can get something like this for about 150 euros, something like that, maybe around the same in dollars. America generally get cheaper, same equipment, but cheaper than we can get it here, which is great for you, but because your purchasing power and all the rest, and just the, I suppose, the amount of people in the country and all of that. But here we generally tend to pay a bit more. But 5-year warranty on this, I believe. I think it's 2 years out of the box, and if you sign something or send something off, fill in your email address, all that crack, I think you can get it up to 5 years, which is amazing. So yeah, I mean, the only battery stuff I have that's ever lasted me that sort of length is my Makita stuff, and that's being professionally used, and some of it I have like over 10 years. The rubber's actually falling off the handles, but the motors are still going and the batteries are still, well, some of them are still alive from the start. I've gone through quite a few batteries, but it's the fuel that gets them going, so if you're getting use out of it, it's great. So look, we'll get out in the garden and we'll use this. So I've got a job of work to do on these hedges. I've got about 250 meters of hedges or thereabouts. This is brand new, it's never been used before. I stuck a GoPro on the front of it and we'll see what it's like. My brother has one, slightly different model from the same crowd, and it works really well. My brother-in-law has another one, different model again, and brilliant. This one I think will do me fine. So here we go. Right, let's see. First time ever. yeah, really, really good. Highly impressed. You won't see it, but it's maybe you can see it, I don't know. But I've still 5 bars left on this. Yeah, 5. So there's 5 full bars left on it. So it looks to me like this thing on one battery will get around the whole garden. And as I said, I have 2 batteries. Definitely worthwhile getting a second battery. You can buy the rest of these tools, bare tool. So this one, about €300, seems to be in and around that. And the next one then, probably, you know, less than 200, 150, 170, something like that, you know, depending on the tool you want. Maybe I'll get the little chainsaw, but I'm highly impressed with it. So that's it. This is 56 volt Ego power tools, battery powered, fantastic. 5 segments on the battery light on the back, so you can see how much juice you've got left. No more pull start, no more petrol, no more 2-stroke mix, you know, no more seizing engines or it won't start. Pull the trigger and it goes. So look, I'm going to leave it there for now. If you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe down here. Great to get new subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Good luck.